CRM tutorial: how to set up a CRM 2025. Now, in this video, what we're going to be talking about is how you can create a customer relationship management software for yourself in the easiest way. Now, creating a CRM is not a difficult pointer, okay? You can create a CRM in any method that you want. You can use different softwares for it. So the software I'm going to be using is Monday.com. And if you want to create one for yourself as well, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. Now, that we're talking on this topic, what we're going to do is once we're over here to create a CRM, what you're simply going to be doing is, first of all, you're going to click on new workspace and you are going to go over to the template center of any place. Now, your CRM can depend on anything, like it could be a project management space, it could be a single project space, product development space, agile project management, whatever you want. So let's say I want to go with a single project. Okay. Once we do that, simply click on use template. And once you click on use template, it's going to load your template board up for you. Now, this doesn't only work on Monday.com. You can honestly do this on any space that you want. So it depends on you on whatever you want to go with. Now, once we are over here, what's going to happen in this case is, as you can see, your CRM is already, good and set it up. Now, what you can do is basically add your very own prompts over here. Like, let's say I'm going to add coding. Then let's go ahead and add, let's go with design. And then obviously you can go ahead and add more and more subtitles into it. You can also change the table's name and sections. So you can work around with this however you want. And you can use different views for yourself as well. So you have the main table over here, then you have the Gantt view. Okay. And this is how your Gantt view is going to look. It's a whole section view, and they do it all for you beforehand, which is pretty cool. And then you can add multiple views for yourself as well. Like, let's say I want to add a Kanban view. You're a person who uses Trello a lot and you like the Kanban look. So look at that. It's going to look something like this, and it's pretty incredible. So once this is done over here, basically that's your CRM set it up. So go ahead, make your own differences and changes in it, and that's pretty much all about it. And if you want to use this for yourself, do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and check the link down in the description below. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.